Everyone wants financial freedom, but almost no one follows a clear path to get there. So they keep working harder, chasing higher income, hoping one day everything will just click. But it doesn't, because financial freedom is not about luck, and it's not about working nonstop. It's about following a system that turns your money into something that works for you. And today, I'm going to show you that exact blueprint. Step 1 is simple, but most people ignore it. You need to take control of your money. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear without you even noticing. Track your income, track your expenses, know exactly what is coming in and what is going out. This isn't about restricting your life. It's about awareness, because once you see the truth, you can start making better decisions. Step 2 is building an emergency fund. Before you think about investing or growing your wealth, you need a safety net. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses will happen, and without a backup, one problem can destroy your entire financial progress. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. This is what gives you stability and peace of mind. Step 3 is eliminating bad debt. Not all debt is equal, but high-interest debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. Credit cards, unnecessary loans, and impulsive borrowing slowly drain your future. The longer you carry them, the more they grow. Focus on paying them off as quickly as possible, because every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar you lose from your future wealth. Step 4 is where things start to change. You need to start investing. Saving money alone is not enough. Inflation will slowly eat away at your cash if it just sits there. Investing is what allows your money to grow over time. You don't need to be an expert to start. Simple options like index funds and ETFs are enough for most people. The key is consistency and time. Step 5 is increasing your income. There is only so much you can cut from your expenses, but there is no limit to how much you can earn. Learn new skills. Improve your value. Look for opportunities to grow your income, whether it's through your career, a side hustle, or building something of your own. The more you earn, the faster you can move through this blueprint. Step 6 is automation. This is where most people fail because they rely on motivation instead of systems. Set up automatic transfers for your savings and investments. Automate your bills. Remove the need to think about it every month. When your system runs on autopilot, you stay consistent without effort. Step 7 is thinking long-term. Financial freedom does not happen overnight. It's built slowly through consistent actions repeated over time. The problem is, most people want quick results. They get impatient. They quit too early. But the people who succeed are the ones who stay in the game. They understand that time is their greatest advantage. And finally, step 8 is protecting your wealth. As you start to build money, you also need to protect it. This means avoiding unnecessary risks, having proper insurance, and not chasing quick wins that can wipe out your progress. Building wealth is important, but keeping it is what truly creates freedom. This is the blueprint. It's simple, but it's not easy because it requires discipline, patience, and consistency. But if you follow these steps, your financial life will change. Maybe not overnight, but slowly and surely. And one day, you'll realize that you're no longer working for money. Your money is working for you.